Welcome to this room tour. This is a Polar Outside, cabin 671. So right as you walk in, you have to have the light, or the card in the light switch. And then as we come around here, we have a storage here, as well as storage down here. We have a little welcome amenity here, so we have cheese and fruit and such. We have a kettle with my favorite coffee, a couple bottles of wine, some water bottles. This is darling. And we have a little bit more storage down there, and then a chair. We have two twins. It can be pushed together for a king. And we have more storage over here. We have a phone and a television. We have some clothing hooks there, and then as you come in here, here's our bathroom. Step down shower. I love the blow dryer. And we have the toilet, sink, hand soap, and I think we have like a little tray down there for toilet paper. And we have a medicine cabinet right here. So good size storage here in the bathroom. And as we flip around, this is when you exit, step down to exit. I like the wool blanket, that's lovely. And this is our room. And we have a porthole right here with a good view.